Hello students, today we will going to do our rest of the question answer which we had done yesterday apart. Question number 3 and 4 we will do today, and we will do some basic concepts of questions from your book onwards. In between questions we will mark in book because they will come as a one word questions or some exercises. Okay, so let's start our question answer and some basic questions from revision time and in between from your book. So let's start question number 3. Write down question number 3 in your notebook. Differentiate between an interpreter and a compiler. Write down interpreter, compiler, and divide it into two parts with your scale. Then leave one line and write down the first point. Interpreter translates just one statement of the program at a time into machine code, and this compiler, it scans the entire program and translates the whole of it into machine code at once. Then the second point is the interpreter never produces any intermediate machine code, and the compiler translates an intermediate machine code. Third point is an interpreter is used by programming languages such as Python, PHP, Perl, Ruby, etc. And the compiler is used by programming languages such as C, C++, C#, Scala, and Java, etc. Some more languages are also in compiler. Our next question is question number 4. List any three characteristics of the fourth generation language. Answer is the three characteristics of the fourth generation language are highly user friendly and independent of any operating system. This is point number 1. Then you have to leave one line and write it. Point number 2. Minimum efforts from the user to obtain any information. Point number 3 is designed to reduce time and the cost of software development. So these are all about question number 3 and 4. 1 and 2 we had done yesterday. So it is completed. Now we will mark some important points. So students, open your book. These are some recap questions. Whichever I had marked, you have to mark only that points. First point is the process of writing programs in a computer language is known as programming. It can be asked in one word also, and it can be asked in other exercises also. Machine language is expressed in binary form, that is zeros and ones, where 0 means off state and 1 means on state. Machine language uses mnemonic codes or symbols in place of zeros and ones. Next point is fourth generation languages are similar to human languages. Next is the translator programs are used to convert high level language programs into low level language programs. Next point is an assembler is a program that is used to convert mnemonic codes into their machine language equivalents. Mark this line also. Lady Ada Lovelace, a mathematician, is regarded as the first computer programmer. It can be asked from you. A mathematician is regarded as the first computer programmer. Name, you have to write Lady Ada Lovelace, or it can be asked which mathematician is regarded as the first computer programmer. Then also you have to write the answer Lady Ada Lovelace. Okay. So next question is, yes, mark this line. The linker runs on the machine code generated by the compiler to generate a final program. So it can be asked, it runs on the machine code generated by the compiler to generate a final program. Then you have to write linker answer. So mark from this and write from here. Our next statement is, syntax is a set of rules governing the formation of a statement in a programming language. So it can be asked, it is a set of rules governing the formation of statements in a programming language. Our next point is, mark this point, Fortran was one of the earliest computer languages. Which was one of the earliest computer languages? Then you can write Fortran. COBOL was designed for business users. Mark this also, Spacewar was the first interactive computer game. So this is all about from our general questions which can be asked from you in one word also. Thank you, class.